So guys, something happened. So my so my laptop camera is very bad. So it's not that it's bad, but it's not that clear. So I ordered a webcam from amazon.ca. So I'm expecting the package right now. I've been told it has been dropped, so I want to go and check it out. So let's go. So guys, it took here's the package. So let's quickly do an unboxing. So this is prime. Yeah, so this is my laptop. Yeah, so yeah, this laptop I'm currently using. So the camera is not sharp, so I decided to get something from Amazon and it was delivered today. So this is the webcam, autofocus HD. At least this will help me to shoot better content, because I'm about to step up my game. I'll be giving you guys guidelines and teachings, tutorials on Japa ways, Japa travels. So I needed a cool standby webcam. So guys, this is what I got. Yeah, this tripod stand. It has a tripod stand. This is the short tripod stand. Yep. So yeah, this is the, if I open that this is the box. Yeah, this is the manual. I got one 1008p. Yeah, 1008p could serve my needed. Yeah, I saw 4K, but I chose 1080p because of some yeah, 4K is a bit clearer, but you won't notice the difference though between 4K and 1080p. Yeah, if you want to know the difference, you can check online, but I think 1080p is enough for me, you understand? So yeah, this is the main before we unveil this. So I gifted myself a gift. Yeah, you can see from amazon.ca, a gift from Collins Prosper. Enjoy your gift. So I ordered it and gifted myself. So the feeling is cool, you understand? And it was very fast too. It's up. Yep. This is what I ordered. Yeah, and this is the main. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. You have just give me a minute. So guys, this is it. Okay, let's see, set up like this. Yeah, set up like this. Sorry guys, I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, I had to leave my room to come and do it here. Just want to stay here for now. Just want to stay in the kitchen for now. So yeah, so this is the Sharp. With the Zuzu. So guys, be ready for more and clearer content. So where's the code? So yeah, explore guys. Nice. You can see the red light. Oh my god, the feeling is what? So guys, be expectant. Be ready to receive from me back to back. So guys, this is the camera. Yeah, this is the camera. But this one you are seeing is currently using my laptop camera. So this is how my laptop camera looks like. You can see it's very bad. It's not so clear. So let me swap it to yeah. Let me swap it to the camera that I just bought. Notice the difference. Look at this is my laptop camera. You can see. So let's swap. Yeah, sharp. So this is this is 1080p. Yeah, so you can see it's very clear. So once I'm shooting videos, henceforth I'll be shooting videos. I'm giving you guys guidelines. I'm giving you guys tutorials on ways to jackpot, on ways to travel abroad as a student, on ways to apply for a visa, on ways to fund your education, on ways to get admission, a master's program, or graduate program, how to apply for GCMS notes, many things. I'm going to be showing you guys many things and sharing my experience and teaching you guys, for those of you who can't come to Canada to study. Yeah, so I'll be using my laptop for that. Yeah, so my laptop camera wasn't there, so I have to get a camera. So many content are packed for you guys, so please if you know that you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, so anytime I post you get a notification straight up. Yeah, so yeah, this is the camera. This is 1080p. I think, yeah, it's clearer. Let me switch back to my laptop camera. Yeah, this is my laptop camera. So bad. This is like 340p. 340p for those of you who know pixels, video pixels. Yeah, this is like 340p. Even 720p is higher than this. So if I use this to shoot video, it won't be so clear. So I needed more clearer stuff. So let me switch back to, yeah, you can see it's more clearer. So guys, be expecting content back to back. Yeah, and this is the tripod stand. Let me remove it. So guys, you can see this is a tripod stand, so you can place it anywhere. So I can decide to place it on this tripod stand, or I can decide to place it here. You can see the camera is on standby, and if you look at me on my laptop screen, you can see it's very clear. You can see it's very clear. Yeah, so this is how it look like. Once again, this is my laptop camera. So bad. So if you switch it, yeah, very clear and sharp. So yeah, that is it. So I said let me unbox it with you guys. Yeah, so proud of myself. Yeah, amazon.ca, enjoy your gift. Yeah, thanks to that. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I've come to the end of this video. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for I'm going to be dropping back-to-back content for you guys to watch. I'm going to be giving you guys tutorials on study abroad, tutorials on visa, tutorials on financing your studies, tutorials on admissions, masters, undergraduate, tutorials on culture, Canadian culture, job opportunities, lifestyle, food, drinks, everything back to back. You don't want to miss. Yeah, if you stay till the end of this video, I really appreciate you. I hope you do come back to watch my videos, and if you are just joining, please try and read my bio to get a glimpse of what to expect. Yeah, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.